In this video, learn how to use verbs to talk about the future, naturally in English conversation. Talk about your plans for this afternoon, tomorrow, next Friday, in 2 months, or 5 years from now. Learn this grammar with clear explanations and practice using this new English by reading and listening to over 20 natural examples. Keep watching. There are two common ways to talk about future action. I'll play tennis tomorrow.
I'll is a contraction of I will. Contractions are often used in spoken English.
I'm playing tennis tomorrow.
They are saying the same thing, but there's a small nuance that determines if we will use I will or I'm doing in natural English conversation.
Vocabulary check. You know what nuance means. The noun nuance means a very slight difference that is hard to notice. Let me explain this slight difference with two more examples. Henry is struggling with his current assignment. I have some free time, so I'll help him after lunch. I'm helping Henry move next Saturday. He asked a few of us at work yesterday, and I said yes.
Example 1 uses I'll help. Example 2 uses I'm helping.
Why? There is a small difference between these two examples that is hard to see.
Can you find it? Hint: when did the person in the first example decide to help Henry? When did the person in the second example decide to help Henry? In the first example, Brad just found out about Henry's trouble. Then he decided to help Henry as he was speaking. In the second example, Henry asked Kevin yesterday to help him move. And Kevin said yes. Kevin has already decided to help, so this is a planned activity. If a future action has just been decided at the time of speaking, we use I will.
It's starting to rain. I'll go upstairs and shut the windows in our bedroom. I have some free time, so I'll help him after lunch.
If a future action has already been decided or planned, we use I am doing.
I'm having a barbecue party next weekend. I hope it doesn't rain. I'm helping Henry move next Saturday. Let me explain with some more examples. It's common to use will after the phrase, I think. It's a nice day today. I think I'll ride my bike to work. I think Wendy will be late for the morning meeting. She's stuck in traffic. I think she'll be stuck for at least an hour. Also, when we offer to help someone.
Math is hard. I'll help you with your homework after dinner. If you need a hand to pack your things before the moving van comes, we'll come over and help you tonight.
When we agree. Can you clean up the dishes after dinner? Sure, I'll do it right after dessert. With promises. Dad, can you come to my school band performance this Friday after work? Absolutely. I'll be there in the front row. The negative form won't is also common when we promise not to do something in the future. Paul is so rude. We won't invite him to any more of our parties. You can trust me. I won't tell anyone your secret. When you ask someone to do something, will is the natural fit. Will you help me with this? Will you carry a few of these boxes for me? And when you ask someone about a future situation, will you be there on Sunday? Will it rain tomorrow? I am doing. As we learned in the first example, I'm doing is used for planned activities, actions we have already decided to take. I'm watching TV all weekend. It's been a long week. The grammar going to verb is also natural in English. I'm going to watch TV all weekend. It's been a long week. Jill's going to meet her college friend on Saturday. My wife and I are going to look at houses tonight after work. We were going to play hockey on Saturday, but the arena is closed for repairs. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. For even more English practice, sign up for my weekly English newsletter and get a copy of my 32-page English ebook, 5 Simple Communication Tips. It's all free. There's a link above and a link in the description of this video. Have an awesome day and keep using your English. Improve confidence, improve communication. See you next time. In this video, you will learn how to talk about the future